Hello guys, well, welcome to another video. Nice to see you all. Hope you're all doing well. So I know it's a bit off topic, but I'll just show you and talk about what's been going on. Right, just had this boiler installed. Cost a lot of money, but they made a bit of a boo-boo. They don't seem to think it's a big issue, but maybe you guys might think differently. So on the outside of the wall, where we've got this pressure relief pipe coming out of the wall, they basically cracked the brickwork. The face of the brick was cracked, and they've just filled it in with a bit of cement or concrete or mortar and think that's alright. To me, that's a bit of a shoddy work. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm not happy, so I'm trying to get them to come back round and put a new brick in. Right guys, here you can see the pond, how clear the water is, and obviously the filtration is quite good here. I've put blanket answer in to try and reduce any sort of blanket weed, and it seems to have done a reasonable good job. What I tend to do is I use that mop there just to brush it off so that it basically can get gathered by the skimmer, as well as the filtration system, such as the retro bottom drain at the bottom. Now I seem to have a problem with my fish hiding behind the rocks there. Before they were hiding by the retro bottom drain at the bottom, but they just seem to be something really wrong with them. I don't know what you guys think. So that's why I'm doing this video, for a bit of advice and help. What do you think? Is it time for me to get them out and do some scrape tests, that sort of thing? Because it is concerning me that they're just not swimming in a pond, they're just over there. So let's have a look. So look at my fish there. They shouldn't be doing that, should they, surely? They're just literally hiding behind that rock, and I just don't know what's wrong with them. Look at them. You know, should they be doing that? That's just strange. They're just hiding. I don't know what's wrong. Now I should have 4. I think you can see 3 there, and there's 1 at the other side there. So I don't know what's going on. I thought the best people to ask would be you guys in the koi community to tell me, what do you think is wrong? Because that's just not normal. Is it because they're scared of me? But they weren't scared of me when I put them in, but now they are. I just don't know what's wrong. They just seem to be hiding. So I just don't know what's wrong with them. Have you guys got any idea what is wrong? Why do they want to hide behind that rock? I just don't know. Hopefully you can see that. What are they doing? So guys, thanks for watching. I know this isn't the normal type of content I put out, but a bit of advice would be helpful, because I don't know what's going on. Why do they want to hide behind a rock? Don't understand that. I know I've not had much interaction with them over the year, and if it gets warmer, I don't know if that will change things, but it is like between 5 and 10 degrees. You know, it's not that warm, and some days it can be like 2 degrees. Anyway, thanks for watching. Those of you who do follow me, appreciate you coming to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I would like to get to 1,000 subscribers if you like the content I put out. I try and help as much as I can, but I tell you how it is as well, because some people don't like that. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully you guys can advise me a little bit, maybe doing some tests. And if those of you who don't know, check out Peter Puddle's YouTube channel. He's having a lot of problems with his pond. He's had to cull all his goldfish off. I recently did a pond visit video. All the fish in that video have been culled, basically, you know, put to sleep. And it's really sad. So go over to his YouTube channel and give him some support. Give him some advice. I don't know what's the next step, because he doesn't know what's wrong with his fish. He's had Gaz come to his pond and check out the water. We just don't know what's going on, really. Tests haven't revealed anything. What I've urged Peter to do is send a vial of water to some sort of lab, see if they can give him more information on what's wrong with his water, because he shouldn't be losing fish. After he's, you know, medically helped his fish, water changes, PPE'd his water in his filters, and God knows what else he's trying to do. He's doing his nut at the moment. So show him some love, give him some advice if you can. Maybe if some of you guys can come over to his pond, check out his water, not just Gaz, but maybe some other people that might be a bit more technically minded in regards to looking at water and finding out what is causing the problem. Is it parasites that he can't get rid of? Is it possible those parasites are in his filter? That's a possibility. But you know, show him some support, because I know he's feeling a bit down at the moment. And any comments will be well received as well. So I'll put a link for the video visit that I did for Peter, and I'll also put a link to his YouTube channel if you want to go and show him some love. Subscribe to his channel, help him out, give him some advice, because we're all in this together. You know, you can disagree with things I've done, but I think we all want to look after our fish and make sure they're well in the end. You know, I don't care about what type of fish it is, whether it's a fancy koi fish or not. You know, I just enjoy watching them swim around, you know, and when they're not swimming around, it can be disappointing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and keep fish keeping and enjoying looking after them. Bye bye.